This looks lovely. We're going to have such a tasty lunch.
Here she is. I've been watching Sue for a reason. I need to choose a perfect moment. And it's now! Sue, you must come with me.
What for, Sam? I'm making lunch. Later.
No, Sue, it's really urgent and important. Come.
Oh, fine.
Please, sit down, Susan.
Sam, you're scaring me.
And you should be scared. I did a thorough analysis of our channel, and you know what?
What?
Our channel critically lacks unicorn craft videos. Unicorn videos in general. This won't do, because unicorns are still trending, and we have to be trending too. Got it?
Of course, Sam.
Then why are you still sitting here and not making unicorn crafts?
Oh, but Sammy, I need to get ready. I can't just...
Well, go on and get ready. I'll be joining you shortly. Do you like unicorns? Give a thumbs up if you do, and let's go create together!
Right, this goes here and that goes there. Yes, everything's ready for the first step. Hi, guys. Sam caught me a bit off guard, but I've got something to offer. Today, we're going to make 2 wonderful unicorn crafts. They're from a book gifted to me not too long ago. Sam, did you tear the book?
Yes, but I was the one who gave it to you.
Sammy, it doesn't give you the right to ruin it.
Oh, come on, Susie. I didn't do it on purpose. What are we making today?
First, we'll make a stationery holder. It'll be shaped like an adorable unicorn cloud.
A unicorn cloud? Oh, that's interesting.
Now I'll outline the template on some thick cardboard.
What should I do?
I'll entrust you with the most important part.
Decorating?
Right. So I'll need some white paint, a brush, and markers.
I'll go get them.
We'll need 2 pieces like this. By the way, you can make this holder of any size. I'm measuring it according to my pens and pencils, but perhaps you need a bigger or a smaller one. These are the pieces we've made. We need to glue inner parts between these 2 pieces. To make it easier, we'd better draw some guidelines here.
Susie, do you need watercolors or acrylic paint?
Acrylic paint.
Got it.
Look, these are the guidelines I've drawn. Each guideline will need a piece like this. You can make the holder narrower or wider, as you wish. Let's glue them neatly. One by one.
And paint, white, acrylic, check. I've already brought a brush, but fine, here's another one. And a whole bunch of markers. Check.
Right on time, thanks.
Decorating time?
Yes.
Oh!
First, I'll paint our cloud white. I think we're not going to draw all the details. We'll make some from craft foam.
Craft foam? I'll go get it.
Oh, I didn't even have to ask. I think Sammy's really enjoying making unicorn crafts. Guys, tell us if you've ever made unicorn crafts and what kind.
Here, I brought several colors just in case.
Great, Sammy. While the paint is drying, we'll make heart-shaped cheeks. Yes, it's better than just drawing them. They'll be so nice and soft. Oh, I love working with craft foam. There, I'll cut them out carefully along the outline. Speaking about the outline, I'll add some volume with the markers. Where are all the markers? Fine, I'll deal with it later. And meanwhile, I'll make a horn out of our craft foam.
Yes, I know how to decorate. Duh. We'll have the best unicorn cloud in the world.
Oh, so that's where all the markers are. Sam, what are you doing?
Decorating, of course. After all, it's my element.
Wow, Sam, that looks amazing. Well done. And I've made additional decor pieces, but I need markers to finish them. And Sam, I think we can add even more decor. Please bring some golden cord.
Right. I know I've seen that golden cord. Here. Great. I'll clean up later. This cord?
Oh, great choice, Sammy. Here, outline the horn like I've outlined the hearts. And I'll glue the cord on. It's not in the book, but I saw this idea somewhere and I liked it. Da-da-da-da. Yes, the golden color looks so good. It gives our cloud that shine.
The horn is finished according to your request.
Awesome, Sammy! Let's glue it right here. Up. And the cheeks, of course. 1 and 2. This is our adorable stationery holder we've made.
Quick! Put all the things in there!
That's what we made it for. It'll bring us joy every day. And I'll need this for the next craft.
I'll go get the material.
Right, let's see. Aha! Sam already brought the material for the next craft. It's polymer clay. We need to roll it out like this. Now we'll make a pattern with the ruler. First, some straight lines like this. Then more lines at an angle. Have you already guessed what it is?
It's my favorite thing! Ice cream in a cone, unicorn-shaped.
Yes, 2 of your favorite things in one. But it won't just be unicorn-shaped ice cream. It's also a pen. We'll insert the pen into the cone base. Ugh, come on! And now we carefully wrap our cone around the base, pressing it down. We'll fill it later.
Susie, may I prepare decorative pieces?
I'm surprised you're asking. Of course you may.
Yahoo!
This is what we should get. And on top, we'll make a unicorn decoration.
Use this first!
Oh, right, Sammy. Thanks. We'll attach this craft foam piece to the edge of the cone.
There was something else. Something important. All right! Here, Susie! You'll need to cover the craft foam with your nail polish to make it all shiny.
Yes, right. Let's apply the polish over our pink piece. There, carefully, not to stain the cone.
And here's the unicorn part. Attach it to the top.
Yes, I've left a bit of pen sticking out to secure the ball.
And this is for the horn.
Wait, Sammy, there are a few more steps before that. This is the base. We need to add a few more decorative pieces to make it look like a unicorn. But first, we'll make a neat edge to cover the gap between the cone and the ball. I'll just twist 2 strips of white clay together. Oh, I've got a question for attentive viewers. What video did I twist clay strips like this? I'll attach this piece to the base of the ball. Oh, it looks more delicate now.
Is it horn making time?
No, Sammy, not yet, but soon.
Fine, I'll make the ears.
Okay, we'll add a small decor on top, made of pink clay, a very cute topping. Which ice cream toppings do you like? I love rainbow sprinkles.
Susie! Your unicorn ears suit me.
Sammy, you look better without them.
Well, fine, but a unicorn should have them. It's an important piece. Oh no! You're making the horn without me!
Sammy, I've just started. Look, we need to wrap a strip of yellow clay around the cone.
Which I brought.
Oh, and by the way, can you bring me 3 toothpicks?
3 toothpicks? Well, all right.
And I'll cover the horn with golden nail polish. It'll make the horn even more magical.
Unicorns are all magical, especially their horns.
Can't argue there. Listen, let's glue this golden cord to the ears too, to make them prettier.
I'll never say no to additional decor.
Great, the horn's still drying anyway.
I'll help it get dry. Whoosh! Whoosh!
Done!
Done.
Well, let's attach them then. We'll attach the horn here onto the toothpick. And the ears go here too, onto the toothpicks to secure them. 1 and 2.
Here, dear Susan, a bit of black clay for additional detail.
Oh, thanks, dear Sam. What would I do without you?
You'd be doing it twice as slowly.
Right. Okay, let's attach the eyes. Carefully. Like this. And the second one.
Draw the cheeks with this!
Wonderful! Did you do it with a marker?
Yep, I dipped a Q-tip into a marker and that's it.
Well, it's coming out very cute.
This is the final part! Ta-da!
Oh, right, a cap to keep the pen from drying out. Great, it's ready! Let's give it a try. Okay, I'll write a message for Sam. Sam, you are my friend. You can use this pen infinitely. Just replace the rod when you're out of ink.
Hooray! A unicorn pen!
And a unicorn cloud stationery holder.
Is it just the beginning?
It all depends on you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more unicorn crafts.
And subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!